So, moving up South Brooklyn. Going to Gravesend here. See the park. So, city's slowly waking up. Everybody's coming out, getting rid of the snow. Granted, it's still coming down. So the one thing with everybody getting rid of the snow, so genius concept, right? I know everybody loves to just dump it into the middle of the road and be like, oh no, this is fine. And then everybody complains why they can't drive down the road. So right now the roads are relatively clear. I mean, you could drive through them. It's not that there is nothing on them whatsoever, but the roads have been plowed numerous times and the roads really, I mean, are drivable. So that being said, when you take all the snow off your sidewalk and your car and your driveway and your front lawn and you dump it in the middle of the used to be clean street, you have now ruined the clean street. So you then cannot go complain about the fact that your street is not clean and you can't drive, down it. So that being said, there's a genius concept. Let's take the snow and instead of taking it off your front lawn, take it off everywhere you need to walk and leave it on the front lawn. Or make a pile somewhere, separately. Take a block out of the rest of your, sidewalk or pavement or driveway or whatnot, and make a little pile of snow there. It'll melt, it'll go away in some due time, but it'll be out of your way, and the rest of us can continue to drive around without any difficulties. That's a fun parking lot. More people double parking. So, yeah, really not bad over here. Let's see what the main avenue looks like. There's a little wonderful, nice paved, clean road, and then little small piles from people cleaning their part. Hey, more snow plows. And a quick U-Haul advertisement. We'll have to call them. See if they'll pay us something for that. So I mean, there's people are out, cars are out, things are happening. There is no historical blizzard here.